All right. And do you think that financial modeling will play a important role being in risk industry? Like I've seen students expect a very high paying job just on the basis of financial modeling. They think that if they can do a financial modeling course, they'll be able to find a good job and they'll be able to excel in their career. But I believe that it is a skill which is supplementing your professional career and not a career in itself. Right. So what do you think about it? That if I
I
consider risk
completely
industry.
agree. No, I completely agree to your point that financial modeling on its own is a very good skill. And like if you understand your financial models, your products, how they work, you can understand the payoffs better, you can understand the associated risks better, you can understand the capital requirements of those products better. So yes, it helps you, like it gives you a good platform to start, but you need more skills to complement it. Again, having said that, you can develop those skills over time. Like someone can join organization in a modeling role and can develop surrounding skills as you progress in a role, or you can like already start working on them and then build a combination of skills and then target particular jobs.
Right, right, great, great. So financial modeling does play an important role if I consider myself entering into this industry. So having financial modeling skill will definitely give me an edge.
Yeah. So again, as I said, like if you financial modeling, if you want to get into a research role where economists are more important or their skills play a lot more important role, would be a bad choice. But using financial skills to enter into a job which needs modeling skills would be a good choice. So you can get into valuations, modeling, development of models, research on models. So there's a lot of fields. It's just that you have to identify the right place where
Right,
your skill
right,
can be utilized and leveraged best.
right, right, right. I completely understand.